Well, hello everybody. What's everybody doing today? We are, I guess, gonna. Let's see. I was gonna take this out too. Might as well. We only got just like maybe like an hour to fish, if that, somewhere in the area. So we'll try to make the best of it. That's okay though, cause I was with the other spot, but someone got it, so that's okay. They'll probably think, oh god, to me that spot again. No, not necessarily. Because right now it looks pretty. So we'll see if we can catch something here. It's supposed to be raining too, so I'm very surprised. I'm out here because I'm going to give it a shot. I always want to go tomorrow, but yeah, that was so colorful. So we can catch something right here. I'm going to put a cord on here so that way I can at least get a little bit of distance out there, because sometimes having a cord's always good. Or you can't, I can't see my back of the car. Let's see. This is where it's going to get the problems. Well, let's see what happens if we put it on here. If I'm mistaken, I think this is the one that's got a lot of problems to it, but it needs to be more. It needs to be a little bit more bent in, like kind of like pushed in a little bit. I can't do that. Uh, oh yeah, that probably worked good. Or oh yeah, I think I got it this time. Let's see. That's about foot and a half. Let's see. Let's try that. Maybe we'll catch something. Who knows? Well, that stopped by the open screw. Try over here some. Well, June 3rd is supposed to start on that diet thing, so be prepared. If I don't go fishing that much, it's because, yeah, I'm trying to lose some weight, exercising mostly. But just bear with me. This is gonna be a long journey. My head's gonna be a long journey. Let's see. I got a good idea. I'm gonna rock and roll night party every day. I'm going to put something on to hopefully it'll get attention. But just maybe. Just maybe. Just maybe. Just maybe. I wish I brought my sunglasses. Damn. But, oh well. Sometimes you just gotta live and learn. Alright, let's see. The sun's bright. But, what I'm doing, I'm putting a rooster tail in here. And hopefully, that will, I'll put a, oh yeah, that probably will work good. So hopefully, that will, at least spark tension. So, this hopefully will do the trick because it's all silver. And I'll show you in a second. See, it's like that. I'll just flip it over and let y'all see it. I just can't turn my camera on because I don't know if I see my damn tag. Okay. Alright. Hopefully, I'll catch it with this. Ow. That was sharp, I tell you that. Let's see how we can loose. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I need to talk about 7 or 8, but tell part of me just in case of I get a shell cracker or something. But yeah, this is basically what I'm. It's this right here. It's a Richard test all silver and white, so that should spark a little bit of our attention. Because you have shiny things, and sometimes fish, especially stripes, love shiners and shad. Damn son. Ooh, a little bit tough to see, but it's sun in my eyes. Oh, I got a hit. I can't remember if I do or not. I feel like a hit. Uh, well, oh, they get something? No. Dang it. I got some. Damn, I ain't got nothing. I'm gonna go. I thought about going to the other spot, but I pray somebody still be there. I don't want to have time though. I'll tell you what I'll do is I'll pause this and see if they're over there. Then we'll just have to Discosaurus out. Okay, I put the different spot that I parked at, so we're gonna see what happens. This is my first time actually there, to be honest with you. I gotta see where to park it. See if there's any like. Oh yeah, you have to walk down it carefully. Yeah, be careful with snakes too, cause the snake area. I want to show y'all. I figured I'd come down here and give it a try. I mean, the car is really not far from where I'm at. So, I don't know if I should park there, I don't know, but. No. And it's getting dark, but it'll be okay. We'll have a few minutes to fish. I like that. I like how it has that, odor like that. Anybody down here? I was gonna make sure. This is I guess you say a new spot. I'm just slowly working my way down because it's definitely a bit rocky. Ow! 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 Oh! I knew that was gonna happen. Oh! Oh! Yep. I knew I was gonna bust my ass. That's okay. And all the things I freaking bust my ass on pliers. Make sure my phone's okay. Yeah. Stupid plier. I'm slowly walking down. I'm just trying to take my time. Oh, there's damn, I should on the other side. Hell, the other side of those four are clear. Well, it don't fucking matter. Hell, we might actually catch some down here. I wonder what's up in the back in that area. Oh, just sticks and. Oh, okay. Well. Hey, birdie bird. There's a bird right there. Uh-oh. There's a bird. Baby bird right there. Birdie, 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 birdie. I definitely gotta be. Ow! Dang, pliers down here. I definitely gotta be careful with snakes. There's just a random baby bird just sitting right there in that rock. Like, uh-oh. Ah, come on. Dadgummit. Ah, that's great. But I ain't trying to get you. There we go. I'm just trying to get my bait. Trying to leave you alone where your parents can get you. Yeah, this first I've been down here. Oh shit. Did I get something? Oh. Damn it. I don't mean to. That bird's still just chilling her up. There's a lot of them. Oh. I'm putting a bait on here. I just gotta. Well, come on, lunchbox. Yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and put this back on here. Ow. Really? Get the damn pliers. I would say it's a nice little spot. I bet you the winter time be good as hell out here. But on that note, I ain't gonna be here for winter out here, so I'll be in Texas. That back here is a little rocky, I'll give it that. Definitely rocky. Birdie bird. Oh, I missed that one. Damn it. Birdie bird. Birdie bird. Meow. Meow. Oh. Oh, got him. Got him. Oh, this is pretty big. Woo. What is this thing? Oh, it's a strap. Yeah. Ah. Oh. Well. Now, I know that hurt. Ow. Maybe I can get him before he falls in. Come here. Ah. Well, there it goes. Well, that was kind of. I know I got him, so that's all that matters. Y'all seen it. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Let's just, I guess, slow up and go to the house, Bird. I'll see you. Just go up and go to the house and I guess call it a day because they're really bad. I mean, I got that one, but, well, go ahead and snug that up a little bit. We'll head back to the car now. Yeah, it seems like it's a good spot. Just a little rocky. This is where I busted my ass at too. Well, I mean, it's not bad of a spot. Just very, rocky. It's just like you think you got it, but in reality, you're gonna bust that bum. Which I'm okay. When I feel I just kind of lapped it off. Like I normally do. Whew. People are like, what's this motherfucker doing? So, well, fishing. Chop off this trunk. Yeah, man, dude's probably at his days. That's the fun part. Oh, that should open up for me. I better close this door for somebody flies by and be like, it's my door. I'm about to kick him in the ass. It's actually my fault because I left the door open, but still, I just want to kick somebody's ass. But yeah, I'll upload this anyways. I'm going to just because, that's what I do. So I'm going to upload anyways, so that way I have something to watch. Maybe next time I'll come down that way. Let's see. Ow. Oh yeah, there's still some in my finger. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna upload this video up for sure. So when I fail, I kind of hit the ground, but I'm okay though. Hell, shit, I'm alright. I've followed worse situation than that before. Anyways, yeah, like, subscribe, hit the favorite channel button, like it, let it grow, and God bless each and every one of y'all, and hope you have a blessed day, a blessed night, and I'll see y'all soon. I'll see y'all very soon. I don't know when, but I'll see y'all soon. I'll see y'all soon. We'll try to do some cat night fishing too, so we might just prepare for that. So I might be night fishing. But anyways, I'll see y'all soon. See y'all next time, next video.